Greetings. Georgia is going to introduce a tax for foreign tourists for staying in hotels. 40 cents a day. The money will be used to install new public toilets, improve parks and sports grounds, hold festivals and concerts for guests. More than 50 airlines operate on the Georgian aviation market on almost 60 direct routes. Passenger traffic at Georgian airports, for the first half of the year, for the first time caught up with the pre-pandemic indicator. Construction of a new runway for Boeing 747-800 aircraft is starting at Tbilisi International Airport. The UEFA president thanked the Prime Minister of Georgia for the successful hosting of the European Under-21 Championship. The 3 matches broke the stadium filling record ever seen in a U21 final on a UEFA scale. Ex-President of Georgia Mikhail Saakashvili, who is imprisoned in Georgia and has been undergoing treatment in a private clinic for more than a year, was examined by doctors from Poland. The decision of the Strasbourg court found that the Georgian government treats the prisoner Saakashvili according to European standards. A Polish doctor tried to surreptitiously take out an analysis hidden in his shoe. No one forbade doctors from Poland to take a sample legally, since according to the protocol, biometric material is taken in 2 copies and transferred to both parties. From September 1, it will be possible to obtain a work residence permit in Georgia in 2 ways. Labor migrants employed in Georgian companies, who are registered by the company with the Ministry of Labor of Georgia, and a work residence permit in Georgia, which is issued for a period of 6 months to 1 year. The Georgian youth judo team received 6 medals at the European Cup and took first place in the team event. Good luck to all of you.